Today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers. A number belongs to one of two groups. Either it's an even number or it's an odd number. So let's learn about even and odd numbers in detail. First we'll talk about the even numbers followed by the odd numbers. So what are even numbers? An even number is a number that can be exactly divided into two equal groups. And what are odd numbers? An odd number is a number that cannot be exactly divided into two equal groups. Now that sounds very confusing, isn't it? So let's try to understand even and odd numbers through examples. Oh my God! Look, what do we have here? It's a huge dinosaur. How many dinosaurs do we have? We have only one dinosaur. And does the dinosaur have a friend or is he all alone? Yes, the dinosaur is alone. So we can say that 1 is an odd number. Look, the dinosaur got himself a friend to talk to. Now, can we put the dinosaurs in a group of 2? Yes, we can. So we can say that 2 is an even number. Now, here we have 3 dinosaurs. Can we put the dinosaurs in groups of 2? Oh no, we cannot because the third dinosaur is all alone and does not have any friend to talk to. So we can say that 3 is an odd number. Now we have 4 dinosaurs. Can the dinosaurs be put in groups of 2? Can we pair them up? Of course, we can. So we can say that 4 is an even number. Let's move forward. Now we have 5 dinosaurs and these 5 dinosaurs cannot be put in groups of 2. We cannot pair them because the fifth dinosaur is all alone. So we can say that 5 is an odd number. Now we have 6 dinosaurs and all these dinosaurs can be put in groups of 2. We can pair them. So 6 is an even number. Look, here we have 7 dinosaurs, but they cannot be put in groups of 2 because the 7th dinosaur is alone. So we can say that 7 is an odd number. See, the 8th dinosaur has joined in and now we can put all the dinosaurs in groups of 2. So 8 is an even number. Now we have 9 dinosaurs, but they cannot be put in groups of 2. We cannot pair them up because the 9th dinosaur is all alone. So we can say that 9 is an odd number. Finally, the 10th dinosaur is here and now we can put all the dinosaurs in groups of 2. We can pair them. So we can say that 10 is an even number. So we can say that 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. While 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Now let's try to understand even and odd numbers through a simple trick. Here we have the number chart having numbers from 0 to 9. The first number, that is 0, is an even number. The next number, that is 1, is an odd number. If 1 is an odd number, the next number, that is 2, will be an even number. And if 2 is an even number, that means 3 is an odd number. If 3 is an odd number, 4 is an even number. And if 4 is an even number, that makes 5 an odd number. And if 5 is an odd number, 6 is definitely going to be an even number. And if 6 is an even number, 7 is an odd number. And if 7 is an odd number, 8 will be an even number. And if 8 is an even number, 9 will be an odd number. So we have learnt about even and odd numbers for one-digit numbers. But how do we make out whether a number is even or odd for 2 or 3-digit numbers? Let's try to understand this through the example of dinosaur. Oh my goodness! Now we have 11 dinosaurs. So how do we check whether a 2-digit number is even or odd through the example of dinosaur? It's very simple. We need to look at the last dinosaur. If the last dinosaur is alone and does not have any friend to talk to, that means the number is odd. But if all the dinosaurs have friends and can be put in groups of 2, that means the number is even. Here, the 11th dinosaur is alone and does not have any friend. That means 11 is an odd number. Now we have 14 dinosaurs and all these dinosaurs can be put in groups of 2. So 14 is an even number. Now we have 17 dinosaurs and look, the last dinosaur, that is the 17th dinosaur, is alone and does not have any friend to talk to. So 17 is an odd number. Now we have 18 dinosaurs and all the dinosaurs can be put in groups of 2. So 18 is an even number. There is another way to figure out whether a 2 or 3-digit number is an even number or an odd number. For that, we need to look at the ones place. If the digit at ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is even. And if the digit at ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, the number is odd. Let's try to understand this through examples. Look at the first example. We have number 23. Which number is at ones place? It is number 3. And we just learned that 3 is an odd number. So 23 will be an odd number too. Let's look at another example. Now we have number 56. And which number is at ones place? It is number 6. And we learnt that 6 is an even number. So 56 will be an even number too. Let's look at one more example. Now we have number 97. Which number is at ones place? It is number 7. And we all know that 7 is an odd number. So 97 will be an odd number too. Let's look at few more examples. Now we have 3-digit numbers. The first number is 102. Which number is at ones place? It is number 2. And 2 is an even number. So 102 will be an even number. Let's look at another example. Now we have number 149. Which number is at ones place? It is number 9. And 9 is an odd number. So 149 will be an odd number too. Now let's look at the last example. Now we have number 164. Which number is at ones place? It is number 4. And we all know that 4 is an even number. So 164 will be an even number. I hope the concept of even and odd numbers is now clear to all of you. Thank you.